This Activity 2 quiz will help you learn how to do a multiple choice quiz on information from the citizenship test reading. There are usually 4 to 7 questions in these multiple choice quizzes. This quiz has 5 questions. Read the text on the left, which gives you important information about the citizenship test, and then answer the questions on the right. There is no time limit on this activity, so you can see and reread the written passage to find the correct answer. I'll begin with question 1. The citizenship test is always written in English. Choose true or false. I'll click on true. My answer was wrong. The citizenship test may be taken in either English or French. If you get an answer wrong, just click on the correct answer. Next, I'll click on OK, and then click on the right arrow to move to question 2. I'm going to jump ahead to the final question, the 5th question. This is a little more difficult because there might be more than one correct answer. I'm going to click on 2 boxes. I'm going to click the checkbox to check my answers. I am now finished the exercise. I can see my score, the number of questions I answered correctly the first time, and a note saying that I have completed the exercise. To finish this learning activity, you must click on the Exit Activity button, which will return you to the unit you were on. In this case, 1. Applying for citizenship. That's the end of this little tutorial. Good luck.